Been listening to Yes and Genesis and Sagen and about every else thing I can do between a voltmeter and outer space to fix this truck. Got a new ECU in today. It's the correct one. Still got some crazy wiring stuff. Couple of little blemishes, but it's okay. About to crank it up, see how it goes. Make sure I got all my stuff out the way. Check for foreign objects in the dilly. Don't want that. Nope. Nothing on the cow. Except for my coffee cup on. Good. Q. Alright, well, let's see. We got a check engine light. Hey, that's cool. Battery check engine light. Clutch. We're out of gear. Oh man, it went off. That's awesome. Woohoo! Yeah! Oh, there goes. Darn. Alright, so we get an immediate check engine light, but it's running. So let's see how this goes. It's idling pretty good. Oh, this silly little map sensor, I need to unplug it. That's no longer necessary. Forgot about that. Man, they had so much garbage going on in here. Look, I'm still getting tripped up over this. So we got check engine light. Yep, check engine light still on. Great. Got the cold smoke. That's fine. It's about 55 degrees right now. Dude, that runs great. What's our throttle flap at? I ain't even gonna touch it. Looks good. We didn't even get a cold start. Idle up. Throttle position wires ain't touching. Cause this is some crazy somebody did before we got it. I'll have to deal with that here in just a few minutes. Just so that we can make sure we don't touch anything. Let that sit like that. I'm excited. This out the road. Trash out of the roads. No trash in the roads. Dude, it runs great. Holy jeez Pete's. Everything's hooked up. We're all gravy. Got new wires. Dude, freaking everything's done.